This is the BTALK 3 GPS with GPS module in it, tiny little size thing, AMOLED screen, always on display, beautiful. Swipe down to get notifications, swipe up to get your controls with brightness, and twist your wrist to see the timer, toggle on and off your always on. A nice bright flashlight. You can even drain water out of the device if it's got any in there. Locks the screen up so you can't move it. Press and hold, it'll release it, and listen, here you go. Yeah, fully waterproof, swimmable smartwatch. When you tap the top, you get a control that shows you all the different apps that you've got in here, workouts, and workouts, by the way, on the app show the GPS trajectory against a really cool map that you can put in satellite view, and to me it looks different than either Apple or Google's maps, so it's worth checking out. Phone call integration in here, full Bluetooth phone calling. Yeah, very, very nicely done. Lots of different apps, and you can faces, and you can install different faces as well. And as you saw, they have their own unique always on display. Tap and hold, switch to something different, say that one, let it go into its sleep mode. There you go. Did you see it? Yeah, highlighted outline of it. So you really have a lot of flexibility this one. The design is simple but clean. Speakers, microphone, knob here to activate your workouts. Really exquisite design. Again, this is the ZEBLAZE BTALK 3 GPS. Check it out.